4-day school weeks are gaining popularity in Missouri to aid with teacher recruitment. This is KOAM News at 5. According to the Springfield News Leader, at least 9 school districts are looking to switch to the 4-day plan this fall. This school year, the Seneca School District has allowed students to attend school Tuesday through Friday. KOAM's Bronte Sorotsky spoke with the district on how students feel about the schedule change and how it's aided in teacher recruitment.
On Mondays, the halls of Seneca High School will be empty, and students like Jory Todd will most likely be at home.
On Mondays, I can sleep in like an extra 10 minutes, and then I go out and feed all the animals and everything.
It's due to Seneca joining 25% of Missouri schools switching to a 4-day school week. Todd says the change in schedule has given her more time to enjoy her weekend and to pursue the activities she loves.
For one, it does give my brain a brain break. So you're not doing school the whole time.
Cameron Fox, a junior at Seneca High School, says the extra day has helped her earn extra cash.
You get an extra day, and then mine is mainly from work. Like most of them come in like right after school, and with me I can like have more of a break before I go into work and then get more hours, obviously.
Students say the extra day gives them more time for schoolwork and to pursue other interests. And administrators say it helps them out too.
Just coming into this school year, after we announced the 4-day school week, our applications were greatly increased, and our principals had said that they felt like they had a deeper candidate pool to choose from.
Seneca's superintendent says it's all to give students the resources they need.
And that's teachers, that's custodians, that's cooks, that's secretaries, that's principals, and that's the best resource. I mean, we've got a lot of technology right now, but that's not the best resource to help kids learn. It's having great people in the building around them.
And with 30 extra minutes being added to the school day, students are actually in school more than when they followed a 5-day school week. In Seneca, Bronte Sorotsky, KOAM News.
Seneca's superintendent says another benefit of the 4-day week has been using some Mondays to make up for snow days.